I wake up in the morning, but my back says not today. Tried to tie my sneakers, but I bent down the wrong way. I was fast, I was strong, now I nap all day long. And I groan when I stand on my own. My memory's kinda hazy. Where'd I put my keys? Oh, crazy. Found it in the fridge last night, right next to my TV guide. Like an old granny, moving slower every day. Like an old granny, can't remember what I said. I grabbed my lucky bowls and my club shirts iron neat. Hit the green with my team, got my knee brace on my feet. We line up, take our aim, then complain about the game. Was the grass even cut right at all? My eyesight's kind of blurry. Swear that shot was in, so jury cheating. Argue about the score all day, then forget and walk away. Wait, how'd I get so wrinkly? When did I turn 70? I swear I just turned 22. Then my hip said, nope, not you. Ain't complaining, I'm just saying life's a game and I'm still playing. Skip says focus, I say nah. I'd rather grab a drink from the bar. Like an old granny, bowling straight and feeling fine. Like an old granny, now it's happy hour time. Wait, how'd I get so wrinkly? Wait, when did I turn 70? I swear I just turned 22. Then my hip said, nope, not you.
Bloody hilarious? Damn it. When did I get so old? Hit that subscribe button like it's a perfect lawn ball hitting the jack, and join in on the laughter. Every club has a person like me. Share yours in the comments.